and bands to play the inaugural Hard Rock Rising Musical Fest in Barcelona, Spain. That's big. I've never been to Spain, so this is pretty cool. They're looking for all types of talent, not just bands. This could be you. You never know. Five regional winners will receive an all expenses paid trip to Barcelona, and one grand prize winner is guaranteed a spot to play this summer's Hard Rock Rising Music Festival main stage in Barcelona, Spain. This is pretty awesome. You can enter just by clicking on this. And, five bands will win an all expense paid trip to Barcelona, Spain. One will play for 60,000 fans. The way you register is you log in or sign up to Reverb Nation and submit an original song. You build a buzz, meaning you pretty much promote yourself, show the local contest administrators you deserve a spot to compete live. Showcase your local support and live performances activity by posting photos and videos utilizing the hashtag Hard Rock Rising. Of course, get votes. I'm assuming this is a very, for lack of a better term, it's a popularity contest, so make sure you're on top of that. You promote your song and gather fan votes online to secure a spot. The band with the most votes will secure a slot to compete live in a Hard Rock Rising battle. And of course, number 4, you play live. Hard Rock locations around the world will host a series of live competitions featuring local bands that build buzz, get votes, and impress the local contest administrator. So it is a very grindy type of competition. It's not something that's given to you. You have to earn it. If you are interested, there are details in the link that I'll provide with this email and video. There's official rules. You can enter now. But everyone asks, what can I win? Prizes vary from Hard Rock gear to cash to playing for 60,000 fans at the Hard Rock Rising in Barcelona, Spain. That's this summer. So there's an application process, buzz period, voting, and live battles. And of course, the prizes. You guys already know the catch. If you guys are interested, the link is attached to the email, and I'm sending you this video so you guys know that this is a big opportunity for you to take advantage of. If you guys want more details, click on the link. If not, just come see me and we'll kind of talk about it a little bit more. But it's very simple. Create an original song, submit it, and then just promote the heck out of it. And you guys, you never know. You might be playing in front of 60,000 people in Barcelona, Spain. So good luck to you, and we'll see you on campus, okay?